Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll finally get some ELANTRA stuff for you guys again. Part 3 this time. Very excited, another power mod, because we've been waiting on this mod for a long time. We actually had it sitting for, I think, 3 to 4 weeks now. And we're at Gus Finest Motorsports. Check out his brand new G80 he's picked up. Fully spec'd out, X-Drive. Okay, before we talk about the BMW, let's go into ELANTRA. So as of current mods right now, we have a Boomba engine mount, and that's pretty much it. So we want to make it a little bit louder and possibly tune the car just to give the brakes, a run for his money. So we have picked up a another Shark product. By the way, we're running Shark springs, so we went to pick up a Shark custom downpipe. Pretty much it's gonna replace the first primary cat and hopefully, get better airflow, and this is also definitely be a lot louder. So today we're gonna actually get a decibel reading. Gus is gonna install the whole setup for us and show you guys how to do it, because it looks kind of tedious and me and Jerry are not hands-on with performance stuff, especially like anything related to engine stuff. So we want to give it to the professionals to do it. So if you have an N and you want to get a downpipe install, make sure you hit up Gus at Finest Motorsports. Oh, let's get out of here. All right guys, so in front of me is the downpipe. As you can see, usually a lot of companies they sell 2-piece, but we're gonna use a stock back piece and just a front part. So as Gus is setting up on the car right now, pretty much it's like a free flowing, as you can see. So we're gonna get some dramatic pops for sure. And then Gus is gonna not walk us through, but he's gonna install this for us today. And then like I said, if you need installation, hit him up. Alright guys, we just arrived at Finest Motorsports. Gus just finished the car in the back. I'm gonna have him go over the installation with you guys. And the stock downpipe is right here. As you can see, it's huge. But I'm gonna let Gus take over. So, oh hey guys, so it's Gus here back at Finest Motorsports. So yeah, so we did a downpipe install on the Monday. Not much online yet, like videos and everything, but difficulty, I would definitely rate it like a 7 out of a 10. It's something I would take it to a professional that knows what they're doing, or it's gonna be like a whole day project, especially if you don't really wrench that much. It's just the way this thing comes out is just really pain. Like literally, there's only I think 1 video out there. So the trick to pull this out, it starts, I believe, like that. So what you gotta do is you're gonna drop it just a tad bit. Then after that, you're gonna shift it probably like 90 degrees, and then it's gonna pull out a little bit. Then after that, you're just gonna keep turning it until literally it just comes out. So yeah, it's really a pain in the ass. But other than that, I mean, we didn't have no issues with the turbo studs breaking. I heard on the forums there is issues with that, but I just think if you take your time and just make sure you put like a lot of like WD-40, and you'll be fine. The thing I forgot to mention too, the O2 sensor on top. Usually I use like these for the Subarus, just a traditional one. But the issue is that it just won't go all the way down. So literally you're gonna have to get like a thin wall socket. And what I had to do was, trim it down just to pass through the wires. And other than that, I mean, that comes out. But yeah, I mean, if you need any installations for either Subarus or Hondas or BMWs, definitely check us out. Gus is gonna start the car off right now. It's cold start, so we're pretty excited. I think from what Gus told us, it's pretty loud, so. and get some new decibel levels for you guys. Jerry's gonna get his phone out, and hopefully we're gonna break 120, I believe, on valves open. So let's find out. Guys, you can see the car sounds absolutely like a menace. Like it's like a popcorn on roids, dude. Like non-stop. I think it's a little bit too raspy, in my opinion. But overall, it sounds pretty crazy. I don't know from outside, but Jerry will get some clips from the outside right now. But when you get some interior driving for me, some inside driving for you guys.
Any drone? How's the drone?
How's the drone? Not much drone. On comfort. Here, let's put it to comfort right now. As you can see, still, the good thing about our exhaust is that when it's stock like this, you can barely hear any emission. Oh, look at that Porsche. So right now, we are in comfort mode, okay? This is street driving, valves closed, right? Like daily, you know, to commute and whatnot. As you can see, it sounds a little bit louder.
No drone.
No drone, right? Absolutely just peaceful. You can take your kids in the back, take them to church, no problem. And then after you drop off the kids at the church, put it in M mode right here. And let me tell you something, it changes the whole thing, guys.
Does it smell? No smell, right?
No smell. All right, guys, this valves open, windows up, and it sounds crazy. The pops. And then you put the window down a little bit, it sounds even crazier. All right, guys, so we do some pulls real quick for you on this side. A lot quicker too now. The throttle, I think, without the cat. Woo! Pretty quick, pretty quick. Hey, you know, your friends will know that you're coming. You know, anyone within the half-mile radius know you're coming.
Traction lock.
Alright guys, let's do this. Crazy! Guys, definitely a must-have mod. I know the labor is pretty intensive on this mod because, like you hear from Gus, it's not easy to take all this off. You know, it took him quite a while, but I think at the end of the day, you know, if you want something to make your car loud and still keep the factory mufflers, because the factory mufflers, like I said, look, right now I'm on eco mode. Nothing, guys, nothing. The blinker is louder than the exhaust right now. That's how nice the factory exhaust system is. Now with the downpipe on, definitely transforms the whole car. Power wise, like I said, we don't know right now, but we'll find out after I think in the next video we'll contact a tuner. We have a couple tuners in mind already, ECU tunes, so we'll find out shortly. And then again, shout out to Shark. It's not a sponsored video at all, but you know, the downpipe fits perfect. Fitment is 10 out of 10. The only thing is the install part, so make sure you take it to a professional, or if you're in SoCal, hit up Finest Motorsports, they'll take care of you. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy the Elantra content. We have more Elantra content coming. We are making window visors and side skirts and a bunch of other new parts coming for this car, and possibly a new set of wheels, because Jerry don't like these wheels. I don't know why, I think it looks great. So if you're interested in our wheels, hit us up on Instagram. If you're in SoCal, you can pick them up. So that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace.